I'm Suze. Today I'm going to be making over my 5-year-old son's room. We moved into this home about a year ago now, and it's basically just a bed and some blank walls, so it's time to spruce it up a bit. Most of the things I'm using today will be from Bunnings, from Kmart and Spotlight. So if you're in Australia and you have those things, it'll be easier for you to find them. Today I'm going to do a brushed stroke pattern on the wall behind me and also near the window. I wanted to get wallpaper and it was like $600, so I'm not paying that. Today I'll be using these two brushes, so I just wanted a wide one and just a smaller one, or I might use this one as well, I'm not sure yet. These were like $5 for a pack of 6. I've also using British Paint Clean and Protect Walls Low Sheen Interior in, it's actually a Dulux colour though, in Colour Bond Night Sky. So it's going to be a monochromatic room for my 5-year-old. I wanted to do something that was going to last him for a while, so I can change it up. It's very, you know, neutral. I'll also be doing some DIY shelving, which I purchased from Bunnings. It's just a 1200 wide board. I think it was $13 with some brackets. I'm not sure if I want to do the full shelf or if I want to do 2 shelves. I also grabbed some frames from Kmart, which I'm just going to put my own artwork in, printed out, and to save on costs as well. I bought a beanbag, a couple of little mats from Kmart, and some curtains from Spotlight and some little knickknacks. So I think all together with everything, I've spent about $300 on this room, which isn't too bad if you're making over a complete room. If you have some of these things in your home already, it's going to be a lot cheaper. The paint, I think, was $35. So altogether, that if you just wanted to do the wall, it was $40. So, and hopefully it'll change the look of this blank canvas. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it, please keep watching. So this is the room before. So this is where I'm going to do the pattern, and I'm also going to do it over this wall here, and I'm leaving this wall blank because I don't want it to be too much with all the patterns, and I'm going to put artwork on this wall over here. Okay, so that's the before, and let's get to painting. I'm just going to open up the paint can. Ta-da! Beautiful rich black colour, and this is what we're going to be putting on the walls. Done, and it took about 10 minutes, so $40, 10 minutes, you know, compared to a $600 wall. I really like it. Let's keep going. Done, I think. I might actually add some smaller strokes. I'm not sure. Not sure if it'll look too busy. Don't know. Might get some opinions from my daughters and just see what they think. Okay, painting's done. He also had a bright green toy box, so I've spray painted that black to tie in with everything. I have some artwork that I'm going to put up, and the shelf, I've decided to just do the one shelf. I'll just show you what that looks like here. This is the shelf. It's $1,200. It was just at Bunnings for $13. I think it would only be about 20 or 25 centimeters in depth, which is perfect. It's a small room, so I didn't want the shelf to protrude out too far. And I'm just going to pop some black brackets onto this and pop it on the wall. the shelves up. I've used two brackets here, black ones, that I think they were like $4 from Bunnings. And out my $13 shelf, it's on there pretty tight. I found the studs. If you don't have a stud finder, a quick tip is just to tap along the wall until you hit somewhere like that, where it's a little bit higher pitch. If it goes back down to the lower pitch, it means there's no stud. You can work your way along to find where the studs are. Let's get on to hanging the artwork. These were the frames I got from Kmart. They were $12. I've just printed out something on Pic Collage, cropped it, printed it. Yeah, my sunshine, I think I'm gonna put there, and life is better at the beach because we live down the beach. Another one in the center, but I'm going to hang those now. I'm just hanging these with these little, I don't know if you can see them, the little picture hanging hooks. You can get them from Bunnings also. This was another big frame that I got from Kmart, which was $18, and my son loves Sonic the Hedgehog. So I wanted to incorporate something that he really loved because it is a black and white room. And so I just made this. I didn't have the paper to go in behind, so I used fabric. This is from a drop sheet, which I used to cover my couch actually, because winter's coming up here in Australia. It says gotta go fast, which is what Sonic says. So I've just made that, and I'm gonna pop that up here with two pictures of Sonic the Hedgehog printed in black and white as well. This is a macrame hanging shelf. It was $9 at Kmart. They're very light, so I wouldn't suggest putting anything heavy on them, but I do think they look quite cute. Okay, windows or curtains, sheet curtains up, framing the windows. I do want to steam them though, so they look nice. Now I'm going to sort out some toys, get to styling the rest of the room and finishing it off. Okay, so that's it. Shortly I'm going to be getting my little one in for his reaction because he hasn't seen the room yet. I'm very excited. Hopefully you enjoyed this video also. If there were any products that I've used today that you would like to know more about, please leave a comment below, and like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video also. I will be uploading more videos soon, mainly DIYs and reviews of products. But in saying that, I'm a mum of 4 children, so if you'd like me to try something, please let me know and I'll do my best to get it and give it a review for you. Thank you for watching. Do you like it?
Oh, yeah. I love it. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.